Nobody tells you this, but many Africans view Black Americans with a mix of admiration, confusion, and sometimes judgment, and it creates real tension between two groups that share the same roots. The problem started long ago with the transatlantic slave trade, which tore millions of Africans from their homes and scattered them across the ocean. Generations later, Black Americans built a unique culture in the face of slavery, Jim Crow laws, and ongoing racism in the U.S. Africans on the continent faced colonialism, poverty, and their own struggles for independence. This separation created two different Black experiences. Media plays a big role too. Hollywood and news often show Black Americans in negative ways, like crime, violence, or broken families. Many Africans grow up seeing these images and form stereotypes without ever meeting a Black American in person. On the other side, some Black Americans hear stories that Africans sold their ancestors into slavery or look down on them as not real Africans anymore. This leads to distrust and distance. In places like the U.S., African immigrants sometimes succeed in school and jobs at higher rates, which sparks jealousy or resentment from some Black Americans who feel the system favors newcomers over those who fought for civil rights. The twist most people don't know is how deep these stereotypes run on both sides. Many Africans see Black Americans as loud, lazy, violent, or obsessed with race in ways that seem strange to them. They point to media portrayals of gangs, drugs, or single-parent homes and think Black Americans waste opportunities in the richest country on earth. Some even repeat harsh words like they hate work or they act superior but blame everyone else. But it's not all hate. Plenty of Africans respect Black American music, style, and fight against racism. They feel empathy for the pain of discrimination. Meanwhile, some Black Americans see Africans as backward, corrupt, or too eager to please white people for success. They resent when African immigrants distance themselves to avoid Black labels or claim they face no racism. Studies and stories show this social distance comes from myths, ignorance, and different histories. Africans often hold strong ties to their tribes and countries, while Black Americans built a new identity shaped by centuries in America. Things start to change when people meet face to face. African immigrants who live in the U.S. often shift their views after real interactions. They see the hard work, creativity, and resilience in Black American communities. Some admit they were raised with negative ideas from media, but learned that truth is more complex. Unity moments happen too, like during protests against police brutality, where both groups stand together. The divide shrinks when education and honest talks replace stereotypes. Many now push for better understanding because shared skin color and history should bring people closer, not push them apart. History teaches us that division weakens everyone. When Africans and Black Americans stay stuck in stereotypes, it helps no one fight real enemies like racism or inequality. This proves that connection and truth beat separation. One step toward mutual respect can heal old wounds and build real strength for Black people everywhere.